Have you noticed certain patterns in your relationships? Do you notice that maybe you fall in love too quickly, or you are detached, right? You don't want to get too close, or as soon as the relationship does get too close, you kind of back off, maybe even break up, cause a fight, right? So a lot of these patterns that we have in our current relationships stem from something much deeper. They stem from our caretakers' response to us when we were young. Now, for some people, this might be the case. I'm not saying for everybody, but a lot of times when we don't get the security that we need for whatever reason, right? Some children require more attention than others. It's just personality. And some parents give or not more attention, right, than others. Again, it's just personality. And if you don't have a good fit, like if the child that requires a lot of attention has a parent that doesn't, it can cause some disturbance in the interpretation that the child has of the relationship. And subconsciously, right, like you're not aware of it, when you get older and start having relationships, even friendships, you will start having this pattern. And if you notice, like with your intimate relationships, you struggle, right? Maybe you've had many relationships, maybe all the relationships that you had, or most of the relationships that you have weren't really quality. They were, you argued a lot, or you found yourself distant from you fell in love with them, and then all of a sudden you didn't know what you were doing in this relationship, right? Really drastically, right? Really, really sudden. It could be a combination of these things. It could be all these things, or it could be just one. It doesn't have to be all the things that I'm saying, but if you're noticing patterns of your relationships like this, there is a reason why, and there is help. There is help to get out of that pattern, to break that pattern, and to, be secure and confident in yourself and have loving relationships with others. If you're interested, drop a comment or message me on Facebook. I would love to hear, even if you've had them in the past and maybe worked through them. Love to hear that. That's awesome. And put them in the comments below. Love to hear from all of you. And I hope this might help somebody that might see a pattern and not understand why, or think it's them, right? There's something wrong with me. No, there's nothing wrong with you. It's just a pattern that has developed since childhood, and there is answers and there is a way out. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you think someone could use this video, please pass it along. Until next time, guys, please be well. Peace.